Thank you for joining this short webinar showing you how to subscribe to the Customs Declaration Service. We'll be showing you screenshots from the Customs Declaration Service and gov.uk. HMRC is constantly improving the digital experience of our customers, so you may find that some of these screenshots will be slightly different to those you'll see in the Customs Declaration Service. Before you subscribe to the Customs Declaration Service, you'll need a Government Gateway user ID and password and an Economic Operator's Registration and Identification, known as an EORI number. The first step is to apply for a Government Gateway account. To do this, search for Subscribe to the Customs Declaration Service on gov.uk. Here you can create an account and request access to the Customs Declaration Service. You'll need to scroll down the page and select Subscribe Now. You'll be prompted to input a Government Gateway user ID and password. As a new user, you'll need to select the Create Sign-in Details link instead. This will allow you to create an account. You'll be asked a series of questions, such as contact details, which you'll need to complete as part of the registration process. There will be on-screen prompts to tell you what we need from you and links to further help if you're unsure. You'll be asked for your name, an email address, a password, and a memorable word which the Government Gateway calls a recovery word. During the application process for the Customs Declaration Service, you'll be asked to provide your EORI number. You should already have an existing EORI, but if not, you'll need to apply for one. To do this, search for Get an EORI number on gov.uk and then select Apply for an EORI number. Scroll down the page until you come to Start Now and select. Again, you'll be asked a series of questions which you'll need to complete as part of the registration process. Once these steps have been completed, you should receive your GB EORI number immediately, unless HMRC needs to make any checks on your application. If this is the case, you should receive your EORI number within 5 working days. Now that you have successfully created a Government Gateway account, you need to subscribe to the Customs Declaration Service. Please return to the gov.uk page, Subscribe to the Customs Declaration Service. You'll need to scroll down the page and select Subscribe Now. You will be able to log in using your Government Gateway ID and password. Next, you will be asked to provide information in order to complete the registration process. This information includes your EORI number, your company unique tax reference number, your registered business name and address, and your email address. Once subscription is complete, you should be able to access the Customs Declaration Service within 2 hours. However, it is advised that you wait for the email confirmation before accessing the Customs Declaration Service for the first time. Now that you have successfully obtained access to the Customs Declaration Service, you will have access to your Customs financial accounts, also known as the Financial Dashboard. If you are experiencing any issues when subscribing to the Customs Declaration Service, go back to the Subscribe to the Customs Declaration Service page and scroll down to Help and Support and contact the email address on screen. Watch our next webinar on how to use your Customs financial accounts on the Customs Declaration Service. For further information, please go to gov.uk. We hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.